Question number 3, worked example. Find the radius of the circle in which a central angle of 60 degree cuts an angle, intercepts an arc of length 37.4 centimeter. See, this is the sector part of a circle. The central angle AOB is 60 degree. Okay, so it is the arc length S they have given. The arc length S is equal to 37.4 centimeter. The angle is in radian. You are supposed to find the radius. See, arc length S is 37.4 centimeter. Theta must be in radian, you know, because S is equal to R into theta radian, right? First, you need to convert radian into degree. Since pi radian is equal to 180 degree, since pi radian equals 180 degree, 1 degree equals pi divided by 180 radian. Now this becomes radian. So 3 times pi by 3 radian theta. So make sure that you need to convert the angle degree into radian if you want to apply this formula. That is a must. R is question mark. R you need to find out. We have the formula arc length L or S we can denote. S is equal to R into theta. Solve for R. R is equal to S divided by theta. S arc length is 37.4 divided by theta is pi radian. 3 goes to numerator. Use pi is equal to 22 divided by 7 they have given. So 37.4 into 3 into pi is 22 divided by 7, you know, 22 divided by 7 becomes 7 by 22. So please help me. 37.4 into 3 into 7 divided by 22. 35.7, since it is a radius, it is in centimeter. So this is the radius of the circle. Okay. Fourth question, exercise problem. Find the degree measure of the angle subtended at the center of a circle of radius 100 centimeter by an arc of length 22 centimeter. They have given use pi is equal to 22 by 7. So 2015 South Zone under 2 mark section. See, this is the sector part of a circle. OAB is a sector of a circle. So degree measure of an angle. Generally theta is in radian and the arc length AB is the arc length. AB is the arc length. S we denote it as S or L you can call. S is equal to 22 centimeter and the radius of the circle OA or OB both are same 100 centimeter. Okay, you need to find out theta. We have the formula S is equal to R into theta. Athwa L equals R into theta. Arc length can also be denoted as L. So theta is equal to S divided by R. So theta is in radian actually. S is 22 divided by 100. This is actually in radian. They are asking degree measure. We have the formula pi radian is equal to 180 degree, you know. So 1 radian is equal to 180 divided by pi degrees. So we can write this as 22 by 100 into 180 divided by pi. Pi as 22 divided by 7 actually. 22 divided by 7 can be written as 7 by 22. So 22 gets cancelled. What is 18 into 7 divided by 100? 12.6. So 12.6. If it is in degree, 12 degree, 12.6, you can stop. Degree measure means you need to change that also. 12 degree, 0.6. 0.6 into 60, how much? 36 minutes. So 12 degree, 36 minute. Degree measure means 12 degree, 36 minute. If they ask only degree, you can stop at this stage, 12.6. Okay. Fifth one, exercise problem. In a circle of diameter 40 centimeter, the length of the card is 20 centimeter. Find the length of minor arc of the card. Minor, smaller arc. See, consider a circle with the center at O. They have given that AB is the card. So, O is the center of the circle means OA and OB both are radius. Okay. So, 40 centimeter means 20 each. The length of the card is 20 centimeter. Let me take the point C here. OC is also radius. See, the card AC is the card. AC is the card. Okay. So AB is a bigger card which is the diameter. Okay. So AC is the minor arc. Minor card. AC is a card and this one is the minor card. Yes, we call it as arc length. Arc AC. This is the card AC. Card AC is given as 20 centimeter. Right? Given AB is equal to 40 centimeter. This means OA is equal to OB is equal to radius, which is 20 centimeter. OA equals OB equals radius, which is 20 centimeter. Radius is 20 centimeter and the card AC is 20 centimeter. Minor arc AC, minor arc AC. So S we denote generally. Minor arc AC. You need to find out this actually. See, OA radius, OC radius and AB. These are all equal sides. Equal side means, so clearly equilateral triangle OAC is an equilateral triangle. Therefore, theta is equal to 60 degree. For an equilateral triangle, each angle is 60 degree, 60 degree means theta is pi by 3 radian. Radius we know, arc length you are supposed to find. We know that S is equal to R into theta radian. So that is R is 20 centimeter, theta is pi by 3, this is 20 into pi is 22 divided by 7, simplify this, 20 into 22 divided by 3 into 7, 20.95 centimeter. That is the minor arc of the circle. Sixth one, interchange equation. Sixth one, if the arcs of the same length in two circles subtends, means forms angle 65 degree and 110 degree at the center, find the ratio of their radii. We have two circles. This is one of the circle with the center at O and the radius R1, and the arc length AB is equal to S1. The central angle theta1 radian. Another circle with the center at O, PQ. The arc length PQ is S2. The central angle theta2. The central angle theta2 and the radius is R2. And the radius is R2. Given theta1 is equal to 65 degree. 65 into pi by 180 radian. So that is 5 1 times, 5 3 times, 5 3 times 50, 5 6 times 30, 13 pi by 36 radian, and theta 2 is equal to 110 degree. 110 into pi divided by 180 radian. So it is nothing but 11 pi divided by 18 radian. So by data, arc lengths are same. S1 and S2 are the arc lengths. We know that S is equal to R into theta radian. So R1 theta1 is equal to S2 is R2 theta2. Ratio of their radii R1 by R2 is equal to theta2 by theta1. Theta2 is what? 11 pi by 18 divided by 13 pi by 36. So pi gets cancelled. 11 by 18 into 36 by 13. 18 2 times, 11 into 2, 22 is to 13. The ratio of their radii R1 is to R2 is equal to 12 is to 13. If the arcs of the same length, same arc lengths are same in two circles, subtend angles, subtend means formed angles 65 degree and 100 degree, theta1 and theta2 let us say, at the center. Find the ratio of their radii. R1 is to R2 you need to find out. Let theta1, theta2, let R1 and theta1, R2 and theta2 be the radius. Let R1, R2 and theta1, theta2 be the radii and central angles. Central angles of two circles. They have given that theta1 is equal to 65 degree. can be written as 65 into 1 degree. 1 degree is pi by 180 radian. 5 1 times 5 3 times 50. Then 5 3 times 50, 5 6 times 30, 13 pi by 36 radian. Theta 2 is equal to 100 degree they have given is equal to 100 into 5 divided by 180 radian. So that is nothing but 5 times 10 to 9 times 18, 5 pi by 9 radian. R1 is to R2 by data. S1 is equal to S2. S1 is what? R1 theta 1. Same arc length, arcs of same length. R1 theta 1 is equal to R2 theta 2. S is equal to R theta, So R1 divided by R2 is equal to theta 2 divided by theta 1. This is equal to theta 2 is nothing but 5 pi by 9. 5 pi by 9 divided by 13 pi by 36. So pi gets cancelled. We are left with 5 by 9 into 36 divided by 13. 5 4 times. So that is 20 divided by 13. R1 divided by R2. Therefore, R1 is to R2. Ratio of their radii is 20 is to 13. 20 is to 13. Ratio of their radii. 7th one, an exercise problem. If in two circles, arcs of the same length again, arc lengths are same, S1 and S2 are same. Two circles, subtend angle, subtend means forms an angle 65 degree and 75 degree at the center. Find the ratio of their radii. Let this is the circle with the radius R1 and the arc length S1. Subtended angles at the center theta 1 radian. And another circle with the radius R2 and the arc AB S2. The central angle is theta 2. This is R2, let us say. Okay, so they have given that arc lengths are equal, S1 and S2 are equal. So given the central angle theta 1 is equal to 60 degree, nothing but pi divided by 3. Theta 2 is equal to 75 degree, that is 5 pi by 12 radian. 5 pi by 12 radian. You need to find the ratio of their radii. R1 is to R2 question mark. By data. S1 is equal to S2. Arc lengths are equal. We know that S is equal to R theta 1. So that S1 is equal to R1 theta 1. S2 is equal to R2. So by data, arc lengths are equal. So we have a formula S is equal to R theta. S1 means what? R1 theta 1. S2 is what? R2 theta 2. So that R1 by R2 is equal to theta 2 divided by theta 1. Theta 2 is what? 5 pi by 12 divided by pi by 3. So pi gets cancelled. 5 by 12 into 3 by 1. 3 1 times 3, 4 times 12. 5 by 4. So therefore, ratio of their radii R1 is to R2 equals 5 is to 4. Ratio of their radii is 5 is to 4.